Good morning, class. Happy Wednesday. Power Up F today. Multiplication. Start with your name at the top of the page. We're going across. 7 times 9, 63. 4 times 4, 16. 2 times 5 is 10. 6 times 9 is 54. 5 times 6 is 30. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 9 is 36. 2 times 3 is 6. 7 times 8, 56. 3 times 5, 15. 5 times 9 is 45. 3 times 4 is 12. 8 times 9 is 72. 2 times 2 is 4. 10 times 10 is 100. 4 times 6 is 24. 6 times 7 is 42. 2 times 8 is 16. 7 times 7 is 49. 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 8 is 64. 2 times 7 is 14. 3 times 6 is 18. 5 times 8 is 40. 4 times 7 is 28. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 9 is 81. 5 times 7 is 35. 2 times 9 is 18. 7 times 1 is 7. 4 times 5 is 20. 6 times 8 is 48. 2 times 4 is 8. 0 times 0 is 0. 3 times 7 is 21. 4 times 8 is 32. 2 times 6 is 12. 5 times 5 is 25. 3 times 9 is 27. 6 times 6 is 36. Mental math. Let's have it. How many minutes are in 5 hours? Notice they didn't give us the think anymore. How many minutes are in 5 hours? Well, there's 60 minutes in an hour. 60 times 5. 0 times 5 is 0, and 0 times 6 is 30. 300 what? 300 minutes. B says, what time is 33 minutes after 6:27? After would be add 33. 7 plus 3 is 10. 2 plus 1 plus 3 is 6. 60 minutes equals an hour. Let's regroup that. So you'd have 7 o'clock. Is it AM or PM? AM. Which dollar bill has a value of 25% of $20? When I say 25%, you say 1/4 of $20. So you're going to take $20 divided by 4 and you get 5. Now it says what dollar bill? You can put a dollar bill like this, $5 bill. D. D says 3/4 plus 1/4. 3/4 plus 1/4. Add the numerator, keep the denominator. 3 plus 1 is 4. Keep. 4 over 4. Then you say your little jingle, any number over itself. That means a 4 on the top and a 4 on the bottom. Any number over itself equals 1 whole. I got a pizza. I cut it into 4 pieces. I have all 4 pieces. I have a whole pizza. 1 whole. 3/4 minus 1/4. Subtract the numerators. Keep the denominators. 3 minus 1 is 2. 4. 2/4. Later on, I'm going to teach you how to reduce that to 1/2. 4. The side of a triangle are 3, 4, and 5 long. What is the distance around the triangle? The distance around the triangle is called the perimeter. We'll be learning about that soon. Find the perimeter. We add up all the sides. 3 plus 4 plus 5 equals 12 what? 12 centimeters. G. 13 yards is how many feet? Yards, feet. 3 feet per yard. So you can take 17 and multiply that by 3. 7 times 3 is 21. 3 times 3 is 1 plus 2 is 5. 51 feet. And H. 2 times 25 equals 50. Minus 1 equals 49. divided by 7 equals 7, plus 1 equals 8. Divide that by 2 and you get 4. Times 5 you get 20. Plus 1 equals 21. Divided by 3 equals 7. That was maybe the longest one we've ever done. Alright, last part of it. Problem solving, problem of the day. Choose an appropriate problem solving strategy to solve this problem. Mrs. Gordy wants to arrange 24 desks in equal lengths. Each row must contain at least 4 desks, but not more than 8. How many different arrangements of desks can she make? In other words, what are the factors of 24? Okay, so we got 1 and 24. We got 2 and 12. We got 3 and 8. We got 4 and 6. Let's start making our desks. Well, obviously the 1 won't work, right? Because each row must contain at least 4, but not 8. So that's not at least 4. That's not at least 4. That's not at least 4. So we got 4 rows. 3, 4, with 6 in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you had your room set up like this, it would work. And that fit pretty nicely in the classroom. Okay? What about if we did 6 rows? If we did 6 rows, would that have at least 4 in each row? 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, and then how many would you have in there? I'm making circle desks now, it's faster. Then you'd have 4 in each of those. So how many different ways could you do it? 2 different ways. 4 rows of 6 or 6 rows of 4. Think about your classroom. It'd be pretty strange if you had 2 rows in your classroom and they were 12 deep. It went right over that down there. You'd have a lot of room on the side of the classroom, but these desks would be up to the whiteboard, all the way to the back of the classroom, and I don't even think they'd fit. So it'd be a silly classroom. This would look good. This would look good. 2 rows of 12 never work. 1 row of 24 would be out the hallway. All right, guys. Flip that over. Divide into 6. Today we're going to try to take a look at measuring lengths with a ruler. Measuring lengths with a ruler.